bounce in the hopper, nigga, you can't stop. Bounce.
What about that, folks? Did you like that? Brilliant. Beautifully done. Now, with this Bianchi, Brian Glover, and we're going to talk to him a little bit about this because it is the real deal. The absolute real deal. Brian Glover's got a number of motorcycles, a Benelli, he's got a Honda, and this Bianchi in particular. Let's have a chat. Tell us a bit, Brian, about this bike, the history, and how long have you owned it?
I've owned it about 2.5 years now, and I bought it from a guy who bought all of the ex-race stock spares, and this bike's been built from lots of spares he could use, and we also had all the drawings of all the casting patterns. So what he hadn't done is had remanufactured, and this is a bike that was in here now.
How good were they in period? Fast? Was it reliable?
This bike is 72 brake horsepower at 10,200 revs, which back in 1964 was a good power rating. They were very fast due to their very slim and obviously less wind resistance. In actual fact, they were possibly faster than the MD or Monza in a straight line, but getting 72 brake horsepower out of a 500 twin, they were very fragile, so they had a lot of DNFs.
Well, I'm looking forward to hearing it, and it's a full 500, a 498?
This is a 498, yes. This was the last reincarnation of the bike because it was designed by Lino Tonti in the 1960s as a 250, and it was grossly underpowered, and they gradually increased it through 350 to 450, and then this was the last sort of size of it.
Well, it's a credit to you. It looks absolutely wonderful. Can't wait to hear it. What about that, ladies and gentlemen? The real deal. There you have it. Bianchi, of course, not a name you see or hear in this day and age, but through the 60s the Italians were absolutely dominant with their race bikes. Right, ladies and gentlemen, next up, Green Peaches 1962 RC145 Honda replica. The number doesn't refer to the capacity. It's a replica of the 125cc Hondas. Looks almost like a Bentley Sport, but it's based on what engine?
It's based on CB160, and it's a very early CB160 from about 1965. The frame of a CB160 is virtually identical to the CR93 production race that we used to run in the British Championships back in the 60s. So this frame is virtually identical to that. It's got a CB160 engine in it that's been bored out to 175. It's fitted with an oil cooler. Its only downstep, if you like, is the fact that it's only got a 4-speed box. So its gearing's a bit iffy on some circuits. But tight circuit, it's good. The angle's brilliant.
And you've got Tommy Robb, of course, who was a legendary Irishman on there, and you've got an autograph on the tank. Brilliant. It's a good replica. It really looks the part. How faithful is it in its cosmetic and its design?
Looks like a RC145. Unfortunately, the real thing had a twin cam motor, and this has got a single cam motor. But it's loud for a little bike. It's quite loud.
Can't wait. Good luck. Here we go then. The RC145 replica. And of course, Honda dominated the TT back in the early 60s. Did you like that? Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Lovely deep bellow from those big megaphones. Still sticking with Honda. Where's Andy? Andy Clues? Andy, good to meet you. Tell us, I've got my notes here, but I'd like to hear from the horse's mouth. Tell us a bit about this bike.
It's obviously a replica of a Honda RC181, which is